today is the step one. Step one, we going to sign the contract today. Today is Wednesday. What date is it, baby? 12 Wednesday. But first spot, we're gonna go have a look at the house first. So I contact them. I book the day we're gonna sign the contract. We set up the price. I send them what I want. So they said right before, if you still like want like a little have like a second thought about it, you can go and look at the house, the one they're still building. So they give me a few location, and then I chose the one close to my house, which is in Lopburi in Thai Badan, and we are going to look at that house right now. So this house is on the putting on the tile step, so we'll see. And then after this, we're gonna head to Phetchabun in Vishenburi, where the area I'm gonna build the house is, where the land is, so they can see the land and start on signing the contract. And then after that is the next step.
I stopped to see one of the company house. I want to feel like walking to a home that start just a plan and become real. This house is 2 bedroom and 2 bathroom. This house that I look is 2 bathroom. Pretty big actually. I'm very happy to see how they turn out. Sign a contract. Great job. We come to Phetchabun where we're gonna build the house. I signed a contract and it was simple moment, but for me I meant the beginning of the new chapter in life. I paid small deposit 9,000 baht and I walked out feeling excited and a little bit nervous too. But I don't know it was a fate or just another taste from life. It was my father. He would rush into the hospital. One artery was blocked, another one was narrowing. He needed an urgent bypass surgery. Thankfully, we arrived in time. My father was safe.
ไม่เป็นไรรอดแล้ว
แต่หมอเขายังไม่ให้กราฟหมอเขาดูไขมันใช่ไหม
ไขมันเส้นเลือดมา
He stayed in hospital to recovering for 3 days. I stayed by his side for 2 nights, watching over him. After that, he could take his medicine at home. I make sure he was settled before I returned to the temple. Now my father is safe and recovering. 2 weeks later, the company sent me 5 sets of house plans so I could take them for the local office to apply for the building permit. That was when things started to feel real. I could see my dream house on this paper. I took the plan to the local office myself. The process was simple. The fee was only 62 baht, but the feeling of doing it with my own hand was priceless. I got the permission to build. It took about a month. When I held the paper in my hand, I feel like I'm holding the first piece of my dream. After that, I wait for the good day and also for the work scheduled to be free. Since the house was in Phetchabun, I had to traveling from another province. Finally, on June 8, the worker came to mark the plan on the ground and start digging the holes for the house pillars.
ถ้าเราเอาวางตรงกระหล่องใช่ไหมหนูเปิดหน้าต่างไม่ได้เปิดทั้งห้องทั้งมุมเดี๋ยวลมประตูหลังบ้านก็
This is the first real step of building my grandma her dream house. The moment when my promise start to take shape on the land. So this is gonna be how wide the house gonna be. So I can have a look. This is gonna be where the front house is. And then in the future, hopefully I can buy this land. So I can buy all this land. So we're not gonna be having problem in the future.
I stand and watch, smiling, standing here, watching them work. I feel some things inside me move. This was not just land anymore. It was becoming home. It all began with a promise I made 20 years ago to my grandmother and my fathers. From that promise, become this dream. And from this dream, a home filled with love. Next episode, the ceremony of main pillar, เสาเอกเสาโท Get to know Thai traditional, what we do when we're building a house. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.